How to install apps on your Apple Watch. The best way to add apps on your Apple Watch is directly from the device itself. To get started, press the digital crown and select App Store. Below the search area is a number of curated apps and collections that you can explore and to help you get started and perfect to your browse. If you know exactly what you are looking for, choose Search. With the Apple Watch Series 7 or later, you can type in the search term with an earlier mode or just use voice dictation. Hit search to see the results. Now scroll down using the digital crown or on the screen. When you find what you are looking for, select Get for free apps or the price for a paid app. For many apps, you may need to enter your password, and after that, the app will be downloaded and you can even open it from the App Store. All you have to do is tap on the Open option available there. This app will also be available on your list of apps when pressing the digital crown. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.